Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and this is a video on downloads in relation to your written goals and intentions. So I mentioned in the last video that written goals are very, very important because it allows you to be clear about what it is that you desire. The clearer you are about what you desire, the quicker you'll manifest it into your life. So the more detail you put down, the easier it is for you to emotionalize it. When you emotionalize it, feeling it, knowing that you have it now, you'll attract it into your life very quickly. And the other thing it allows you to do is to help you to visualize your manifestation. It helps you to see in your mind that you already have it. And that's important because the subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is vividly imagined. And the other step that was really important is I am. Write it down as I am, I have. Write it down in the present tense that you already have it. And that will help you materialize it very quickly. So I wanted to give you some downloads in relation to that. So the first thing that we want to do is teach you how to be clear about what it is that you desire, how to know what it is that is important to you in each of the areas of your life, and knowing that it's safe and possible for you to be excited about your future, that it's safe and possible for you to be excited about manifesting your desires into your life. And knowing that you can trust that your manifestations will come to fruition. So we'll also teach you how to know how to add detail into your manifestation, that you know how to recognize the important details regarding your manifestation, and that it's safe for you to know the important details, and it's safe for you to write them down, and that you know how to write them down. You allow yourself to be clear in your intentions and goals. And the other thing that we want to do is teach you what it feels like to know that it's safe and possible for you to receive your goals and intentions, that it's safe and possible for you to achieve your goals and intentions, and that you're worthy and deserving of having them as well. So if you'd like these downloads, then just say yes to yourself and you can receive them. So the other thing that we want to do there too is just teach you what it feels like to trust the Creator to deliver your abundance, knowing that the Creator is the source of your abundance and that you allow yourself to receive your abundance through the Creator. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a pleasure to be able to share these videos with you, and I look forward to catching up with you all very soon. So like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with your friends. If you feel that they can get a benefit from it, then you're more than welcome to share it with other people. I look forward to catching up with you all very soon. So thank you for your time.